ang ibig po sabihin nito, pag sinabi natin may obligasyon na i-restitute, ang ibig sabihin nun ay dapat ibabalik ng
Yes.
mga opisyal na yon yung 73 million pesos na confidential funds. Tama po yun.
Tama po, Madam Chair.
And they are in effect liable for that fund and they must return it to the government dahil public funds po yan.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Just to be clear on this, when there is a notice of disallowance, this is based on the Joint Circular 2015-01 on the use of confidential funds. Am I right?
Yes, Madam Chair.
And once a notice of disallowance is issued and then later affirmed on appeal, there now gives rise to an obligation on the part of the persons responsible to restitute the amount. Is that correct?
Yes, Madam Chair, when it becomes final.
Who were those who were held liable in the notices of disallowance that were subject of appeal that you just mentioned?
The Vice President as head of agency, the SDO, Ms. Gina Acosta, the accountant, Ms. Villa Del Rey, and Colonel La Chica.
So ang ibig po sabihin yan ay sa mata ng COA, yung mga pondong yon, yung mga confidential funds na yon ay dapat ibabalik ng mga nabanggit yung opisyal beginning with Vice President Duterte and the others that you mentioned dahil nga walang naging basehan sa kanilang paggamit. Am I correct?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Oh, that's a very interesting development, Madam Chair.
Clarification
Sure
po.
po.
Yung sa NDs po issued by the ICFAO, it's more on hindi po na-comply ang requirements ng Joint Circular 2015 po.
So, and yung purpose po ng joint circular ay para ma-ensure na yung binibigay na confidential funds ay talagang mapupunta dun sa tamang paggamit.
It's properly documented po, opo.
And because the notices of disallowance were affirmed sa appeal, ang ibig sabihin nun ay hindi tumupad yung mga responsible officials, beginning with Vice President Sara, doon sa nakalagay na requirements sa Joint Circular 2015-01. Tama po?
Tama po, Madam Chair.